In this video, I will show you my investment strategies in the crypto market with a budget of $1,000. I will discuss the specific coins I have selected, and most importantly, I will explain my selection process. I will also share my investing mistake in the crypto market because I've been investing since 2017. I'm wearing a red pullover to signify that the market is currently expecting the downturn, which presents an opportunity time to invest in it. Please listen, this strategy carries a high level of risk in the short term. However, in my opinion, it has the potential to be high profitable in the long term, let's say around 2 years from now. I will illustrate the reason behind this potential profitability by providing some proof in this video. By the end of this video, you will be better understanding of my perspective. If you have the same viewpoint, you might be consider adopting this investment approach as well. It's not a financial advice because nobody knows in which direction the market will go. Here I just share my thoughts, and not only thoughts, I'm going to show you an action because action takers are money makers. Bear in mind this. Again, it's not a trading or scalping. It's a relatively long-term investment. But the famous investor Warren Buffett would be laughing about long-term investing for 2 years. Anyway, but for me it's a long-term. Why is investing important? Investing is crucial because it allows you to allocate your funds in assets to have the potential to appreciate in value over time. It is essential to understand that the most people lose money there because of two emotions. And these emotions are fear and greed. When the price declines, all are scared and want to sell. For instance, if you think logically, when the price such as Nike shoes drops from 200 to 100, you aren't scared. Instead, you run into the store and want to buy it. Interesting, yeah? I have been in crypto market since 2017. And I still have this fear, this feeling, and the price goes down, I'm a little bit afraid. But I'm trying to convince myself, and I'm encouraging you to think if the falling price of the investing assets were the price of your favorite shoes or maybe your brand new iPhone, that when it falls, you feel greed instead of fear. On the other hand, when on the market dominates euphoria and everyone invests the last money with the expectation that market will continue to grow, unfortunately, they lose money, like I did in 2017 when I started to invest in crypto market during the bull run. In 2017, in December, when the price of Bitcoin dropped from 19,000 to 11,000 over the week, I was shocked. It was so cold inside. I thought it was the end. Even 1 year later, in 2018, when the price continued to fall down, I was afraid to buy. Moreover, I started even to sell some of my assets. It's funny, but so is humanity logic works. The crypto market, it's relatively new, and every year more people join and put their money there. But it has the ability to be very volatile. It means it goes up and down, causing the fear and greed, pushing people to take logically action. The same feeling I expected in the past. There are two mistakes beginners make. As I mentioned, you never know in which direction the price will go. Firstly, the best strategy is to create kind of savings plan where you can invest in your assets on weekly basis or monthly basis. In that way, you will get the average price, not too high, not too low, the middle point. Secondary, it's very risky to invest all your money in one asset because if it drops, you will lose everything. That otherwise, if you would invest your capital in 5, 10, 50 different assets, most probably it would be low risky because you spray your all money in different baskets. This is an old saying, don't put all eggs in one basket. It's called diversification. So enough with the theory. Let's take an action. As I said, I would invest $1,000 in some crypto coins. So don't judge me, please, because it's not my unique strategy. It's one of my different strategies. I don't put all eggs in one basket. The strategy I will show you is one of the baskets I have. Today I sent 1,000 USDT in Gate.io exchange. Why I choose Gate.io exchange for this strategy? Because there is a lot of coins with the low capitalization. It means the lower the capitalization is, it's easier to push the price to the stratosphere. And also it's easier to push the price to the hell. That's why I say it's very risky. But I will show you that it's risky because people invest only for a couple of months. And I'm investing for a couple of years. On average, after the bull market, altcoins, it means alternative cryptocurrency to a Bitcoin, altcoins fell down approximately 93% from the top. 93%. Here you can see some example with Solana. It fell 96%, and now it's 92%. This is the best time to invest. It's just an example. If I had invested this 1000 key in Solana at the top, buying it with the price 260, nowadays my capital would be turned in $70, but I didn't invest it in 2022. But if I would invest now $1,000 and buy it for the same price, my $1,000 will turn into approximately into 15K, because by falling you have loss of 93%, but by growing you have not plus 93%, you have a substantial rise of 1200%. Of course, if I would buy it now for the price of $20, the price could go to $10 and I would lose 50% of my capital. But on a case, if I would buy it now and just hold and wait for the best time, this money could be turned into 15K. I put here $1,000 and I would place here price 2016. It would be $13,500. So it means I risk with $1,000, but when I will hold it and when the price will goes back to the levels of 2021, then I can increase my price, then I can increase my initial investment in 13 times. As I said, high risk, high profit. What would happen in the worst case scenario? The exchange can delete some tokens and you cannot buy or sell it anymore at least in this exchange. You can send it to other exchange, but normally from my experience, if one exchange deletes token, then the price just fall down because the capital of this token also decreasing. Second, I can't be afraid and sell all my tokens before price starts to increase. Or I would be greedy and sell them in the middle of the way to the moon. So listen, Bitcoin has a halving. It means to get Bitcoin, you have to mine it with the power of big computer, it's called ASICs. And also you can mine altcoins with the power of GPU, graphic processor unit. It actually requires a lot of energy to mine one. But when miners get one Bitcoin, they just sell it and get money as a reward. The halving happened once in 4 years. It means to mine one Bitcoin, miners require twice the time longer than it was before the halving. Here's an example with the money. Our government just print money causing the inflation. And inflation means you lose your purchase power. You cannot buy the same product with the same price that you could buy it many years ago, let's say 10 years ago. And sometimes we say, oh, the price getting higher. No, the price aren't getting higher. Your money loses the power, the purchase power, because the government increased the amount of money. On the other hand, the Bitcoin with the halving causes deflation, which is an opposite to inflation. If people continue to believe in Bitcoin, thanks to their deflation, the supply will decrease, causing the rise of the price. Okay, now I will show you the Google Trends. Look here, I choose Bitcoin and worldwide. And as you can see, sometimes the interest of Bitcoin rise and then fall, rise and fall, rise and fall. And it happened because of halving. There were 4 halvings before. The first was in 2012, the second 2016, third 2020, and the fourth it will be in 2024 in April. It means to the next halving we have approximately 240 days. With this arrow, I mark it the place where we are now. It means 24 days until the next halving. And let's have a look at the history of the chart, how it looked like in the previous pre-halving times. For example, before third halving, 24 days back, the price were at this level. Yeah, it was 10,000. And then it happened halving, and since halving, the highest price Bitcoin arrived in approximately in 1 year. And the second spike, it was in 500 days and was approximately in one and a half year, let's say. Let's have a look at the third halving. The third halving, again, we will measure 240 days back. The price were at the point $366. And again, after halving happened, let's say after a year, price hit 3,000. It means people invested 300 and get 3,000 plus 10x. But the highest point was by $19,000, and so you could earn a lot of money. We cannot see on this chart at least which price it was before first halving, but it was really cheap. It was, I think it was maybe $50 or something like that, but just imagine, let's say $50, yes, and from $50 it increased also a lot of percent. But anyway, the point I'm trying to make, the point I'm trying to say is, look at this chart. Look at this narrow, this narrow, this narrow, and this narrow. 240 days before halving. It means I believe in it when I would invest now in Bitcoin, in different assets, in this strategy, what I will show you. The price over time, let's say in 1 year, in 1.5 year from Bitcoin halving, the price will increase. Now I will show you another proof from altcoins that was falling after the 2018-2019 dump and their rise in 2021. Let's have a look in Ethereum. For example, Ethereum was falling down from 1,400 to just $78. It was falling down 94%, like Solana now. But then after that, from this price, it was increased, it was raised to unbelievable. It was almost $5,000. Then XRP, Ripple, cost more than $3 in 2018, and then it was falling down 96%, and from 96% it was increased to almost $2. It was the raise of more than 1,000%. Then Ethereum Classic fell from almost $50 to $3, 92%, and then it raised from $3 to more than $100, also hitting more than 3,000. And Litecoin fell from $370 to $23, minus 93%. Then it rise from $23 to to $400, getting plus 1,700%. And now it fell from almost 200 to 4 cents to $4, not 4 cents, $4, and it was minus 97%. But then from $4 it was growing to almost $140, getting plus 2,300%. So back to the Gate.io exchange, and here is one of my strategies is to invest in low capital coins, like coins on this platform, because Bitcoin was failing now, I think minus 70% or something like this. You can see now from the top Bitcoin fell, yes, 63%. 63% it fell. But other coins with low capital, they fell more than 90%. It means if you buy it on the bottom, and next year or maybe a year after next year, when people start to buy it, it goes to bull run, goes skyrocket, and you will increase your capital massively. So I will invest in these coins and just hold, not sell it. When the price will go down, I will also buy it again and again to increase my assets. And when the price rise and everyone wants to buy crypto, when in every news people will speak about buying crypto, and all bloggers will create some courses for beginners, how to invest in crypto market, how to invest in NFT, how to invest in DeFi and something like this, I will be selling these coins. What I'm now buying at the bottom, I will sell it here. Now, how do I choose coins? Okay, it's not so hard, because this strategy isn't hard. What you need is this thing called measure, and you can measure. So you can see here the percentage. This is very important for us, because we are looking for coins with the percentage about 90%, 93% and more. And also here you need to choose 1 week. 1 week, it means one candles equals 1 week. So in this case you can see the chart from helicopter view. So I chose 1 week, and then you go just like, for example, Doge. You see it fell from the top to the bottom 91%. But you don't need to use this measure every time, because you can see just visually that it was falling down and it's in the bottom. Of course, maybe this is not the bottom, because maybe the bottom will be in the end of this year, and will be maybe here at this period. I don't know. Nobody knows. That's why I said the most beginners put all money in one time. I'm encouraging you just to separate your investment and invest on weekly basis or maybe monthly basis. And what I'm looking for also is this consolidation. You see here at the bottom, because it means the volatility is not so high. In this volatility you can lose money, you can earn money, but here it's not very high risk that you will lose money here, because the volatility is not so big. In this situation you can buy, and then you will get your average price in this area. So as I said, I invested here $1,000. This other $1,000, $800, $1,000, I invested in the summer. In total, I invested here $4,000, and with my $4,000, I have now only $3,600. It means I lose approximately 15%. these numbers, it means not just that I earn money. It means I invested today 1,000 and it just shows that like I was earning 1,000. No, it's wrong. I was losing from my 4,000. I was losing approximately 400. No, it's like 10%. But on the other hand, if you will see Bitcoin price, I invested this money in August, and from August, Bitcoin also fell approximately 13%. Means this strategy shows that at least in this period of time where Bitcoin fell from 13,000 to how much does it cost now? For 25,000, I lose the same amount of percentage, and it's like Bitcoin, but I'm investing in very, very, very high risky assets with a high return of investment. Okay, as you can see, these are my altcoins. Now I bought this amount of coins, 259, but the total amount of coins on this platform, on this exchange, is approximately 2,700. As you can see, which coin I buy, some coin I just see at the first time. So my strategy is to look for some coins that are on the bottom and invest in one coin, $10, $10, $10. So it means for this $1,000, I will buy approximately 100 coins. You know, I would call this strategy spray and pray, because this strategy requires a lot of time and patience. As I said, buying for this price, maybe it's not a good idea. It maybe goes down, but you have to be brave enough and have enough of cash to buy these assets when it drops. Only in this situation, your investment will bring you money. And it's not like somebody put some tweet on Twitter and say you have to buy this, and then you start to buy some Dogecoin like this after it was rising 100%. No, in this situation you will lose money. But in this situation where it was falling down more than 90%, I think, from my opinion, it's very good strategy in a high risky market. You know, the best investors are debt investors. They are able to hold during whole crisis. They are able to hold during high euphoric times. Now, I will just buy these coins. What I need to do is to press this green buy button. And now I will show you how I do it. At first, I just bought some coins. I just looked here and bought it, but then I realized there is a lot. And then I thought, okay, I will choose coins from the name. You see, some coins I already bought, and I stopped it on. Now I found I stopped to buy on these coins. You need to press here market. From limit you have to press here market and then set total, because if you would set amount, you would just buy amount of coins, but we need to buy it in total of our USDT. But I already bought this coin, and I just go to another coin. Look, this is a very good one. It was falling down 99%. Just imagine if you would invest in this coin here at the price, at the high price in April 2021, your $1,000 would be now $10. So what I do now, I just add it to my favorite. See, this this star, and then I'm sure I'm pressed on market, then I'm at here 10 and buy. You see, order fulfilled. So next, this I already bought, and so I go just some coins you cannot buy because like this coin, I don't know, and here is some technical stuff. Just don't buy this coin. You have another 30,000 coins that you have to choose. Next coin, you see it failed 97%. I will do just quicken because you got the point. Now you can see just which coins I'm buying, and maybe some coins I won't buy. Like it's very important, I would not to buy these coins like here, because here we don't have this consolidation of the price, we just have the price following down. It's very important to buy it when it goes consolidation, because the longer consolidation is, the higher price will increase. I will skip this coin. Also this kind of I don't know, it wasn't falling down, it's just like very high volatility. I will also skip this coin. No consolidation, skip it. No consolidation. Here we have consolidation, and as you can see, this consolidation started here, and it was, this consolidation was 1.5 year on the same price. This kind of coin I would not buy, because look, it goes just high, and what I invest money to increase my money, and not just to expect that the price will goes on and will go high. I buy coins when the price is at the bottom, when everybody forgot about this coin, when everybody said it's dying and you're not gonna get money. In this situation, you buy this coin and hold it. You need to have consolidation. It's very important. No, it's not so good consolidation. It's good. Long consolidation with low volatility. Here. Yes, this one. For example, this. Again, no consolidation. Just falling down. This kind, you can see here it's a consolidation, but this is stable coin. It's like this stable coin what we're having now, like USDT, and it's like just like euro and dollar. Just also don't buy it. Okay, here we go. Now I bought the last one. I have 0 USDT. Now I make a photo for the future that I know that on this coin I ended up to buy it. And so now you can see my portfolio looks like this, which means I'm minus $400 approximately, minus 10% from my initial investment at this time. Today is the 1st of September 2023. Look, in order to invest At first, you have some cash to invest, so you have to earn it. In order to earn money, you have to have some skills that people are willing to pay for it. I already recorded a video where I talk about 3 different ideas of side hustles, which you can turn a big business over time, earning a big amount of money that you can invest here. So good luck, my friend!